Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transform your voice into a song using Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what you're looking for is up in the upload audio area. First off, if you are on the home screen, you're going to want to select create, and then once you have hit create, then you can see here where it says upload audio, and you can either drag and drop an audio file here, or you can record your voice directly. I have another version over here that I have already started with the lyrics entered in, and one of the things that you're likely going to want to do if you're uploading your audio is you also want to make sure that you're entering in the lyrics as well. The reason being is because the AI can get confused sometimes with certain words, so it's a good idea to put your lyrics in so that you can avoid any muffled voices or distortions or strange results. So once you have your lyrics in, we're just going to do something simple here. So we're going to go to upload audio, and we're just going to record something very quickly that I have prepared. Only you can hear yourself in your echo chamber. Only you and no one else in your echo chamber. Okay, then we're going to finish the recording, and we are going to save without trimming. So we're uploading our audio now. And now we want to confirm and save. We can also change the title if we wish. Let's go ahead and just hit confirm and save. So now we have our project, and it's down here at the bottom. And what we want to do now is we want to select extend. So now by doing that, that has loaded this song in our main area over here. You can see it at the bottom, and it says extend from 27 seconds. We still have our lyrics ready to go, and let's go ahead and add some style. Let's go ahead and turn this into a disco synthwave electro rock song. Why not? And we're going to call it Echo Chamber, and we're going to hit extend. And now Suno is going to take our vocals and is going to take our lyrics and is going to take the style of music that we selected, and it's going to generate something for us. So let's just give it a moment here and we can hear the results.
Echo chamber. Only you and no one else in your echo chamber.
So there you go. That's how you can transform your voice into a song using Suno, and the results are pretty cool. I quite like that, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.